Like, you guys could go to Europe or something. Like, you know what I mean? You could go anywhere. Europe is just as good. In my opinion, I preferred Europe. I mean, I was sick when I went to Japan. Didn't help. Keeps a dude, you do. You get all the holidays. Shouldn't you be marking during those holidays? Isn't that what we always hear from teachers? Oh, holidays are never enough. I got to do all this marking, all this grading. Maybe this bow is not working. Like, it is, but it isn't. What have I done? What's the shape of it? How do I make it more creative? More matching the theme. Oh, what did I do? I did something. My mouse almost flew off my computer. Computer desk. Um. How can I make it more like fantasy, more magical? Such thing as like a wizard scarf? Is that a thing? Unless you got the time to see a whole country, wanting to travel back makes sense. No, because then you're paying for flights twice, you're paying for accommodation twice. When you're there, you're there. You maximize your time and try and look as much as you can. If you don't have enough time to look at the country, then don't go to the country, you know what I mean? Unless you're doing like, I'll do the east side one time and then come back and do the west side. Like that I could understand. But like Japan's not the biggest country. It's not like America, which is freaking ginormous. Um, so I would like go to a whole different place. Cause yeah, who knows when you're gonna be able to see another country. I also be going UK as well. Interesting. See, if you're going UK, you might as well go to some of those other European countries. Go like Scotland, Ireland. I regret not doing that so badly. Not that I had the time, but marking in your own time. That's the spirit. Oh, thank you for the hydrate, dude. Appreciate you. Thank you for sticking around again. Appreciate you. No amulet under the bow. Wait, like have a double accessory? We could maybe add an amulet to the bow. Or is there something in the middle? Something like Sailor Moon-esque. Maybe that's what I need to look at. You also get cheap flights? Oh, dude, how are you so lucky? What the hell? You also get the teacher discount on things. Go Scotland and start. Yeah, dude, do that. Do that. You've already been Japan. That'd be fun. It'd be different too. What am I looking at? Sailor. But also do Japan. Japan is good. Genjutsu. Sailor Moon. Neck? Is that what I'm putting in? Bow? Oh, not boy. Sailor Moon boy. Maybe bow. I would travel the way I want to travel. It might not be how other people want to travel. Wait, what? That so you want to waste the money going to the same place multiple times? Like multiple international countries? Country? I don't know. Like unless there's something different, then I don't know. Why do you keep going back? You know what I mean? You gotta have a reason. Japan would be awesome. It would be.